What is up, RC enthusiasts? Back here again today. Got another C34 for you now. Just a regular kit, not the metal version. So let's go take a look at it. Oh, there it is. Seems to be a lot shorter on this side than it is on this side, doesn't it? Obviously another crushed item from Banggood, so well, let's go ahead and open this and let's see if everything in there survived. Yeah, another banged up box from Banggood. This is starting to become a normal thing, Banggood. I can show you my other boxes that I've received from you guys before, and none of them look this bad. So, and these are the expensive kits. These are the ones that we don't want to be damaged. Same as the other box. It's also open. Everything has been, all the seals have been open. So let's open this right here. And you're gonna get this. It's gonna be the top, and it's gonna come with a little your grill and your little emblem. It's all gonna be in here. Then you've got your parts tree with some scale interior parts and stuff. And here you go, your first difference from your regular kit and your metal kit is the plastic axle housings. So yes, this one has plastic axle housings. This one has plastic drive shafts. A 180 motor with the tan gearbox, which is the good reduction gearbox, not a bad gearbox. And everything is plastic, even your steering hubs and everything in here. So, oh look, the bag's already open. Things are starting to fly out. Well, yeah, so those are all plastic now. Back to the regular kits like we're used to. You've got the cab right here. Mine seems to be bent a little bit right there. Should be able to fix that hopefully. Looks really bad. It's even cracked actually. Yeah, it's actually cracked on there. I don't know if I could show you. Let me open this sucker. Don't want to make this video long, but you know, I do have to report my issues I receive with my stuff. So here's going to be your servo, your Loctite, your windows and headlights covers and everything in here, your hood and your windshield bracket, and there you go. There's the damaged part. I don't know if that's close enough for you guys to see, but yeah, that's cracked. That's not only bent, it's cracked. So yeah, that's damaged. Sad. Always get damaged stuff nowadays from Banggood. What is going on here? Ugh. We'll check the bottom part of it. This part seems to be straight and good. I don't see any issue here. And your doors are going to be in here as well. And your little side marker lights. So that came in alright. It's going to be your interior pieces, your bumper, and stuff like that. Your tires. Same as the KM, it's the same softness and everything, it's the KM, so that's pretty good. Ooh, now the top, or the front cab, oh, dropping stuff. Oh, look here, it looks like your links, you still get the metal links with all the ball joints, so that's an upgrade from the regular kits. This is definitely going to make the truck a lot smoother. So that's a big surprise. I'm glad that they decided to keep the metal links on there for us and didn't give us the plastic stuff, which I didn't mind the plastic stuff. It wasn't bad. The plastic links held up pretty well for me. It's just not as rigid as the metal. And I'm just inspecting this real quick just to make sure the cab isn't damaged, and the cab isn't damaged really. It's survived. So I only have one damaged part, which is this. You get your instruction booklet and your frame rails, which is the same frame rails as the KM. So there you go. Oh, here's the, okay, this part right here I was a little worried about. Looks like they went ahead and used a different kind of metal for their axles, for their, ring and pinion gears. It looks like steel, You know, it does look like to me that it's that, you know, like pot metal, soft steel. Won't know until I try it. Ring and pinion are both this color. This is my first time getting gears in this color, actually, now that I think about it. They don't look too bad, actually. You know, they do look like they're made of that soft material. Let's hope these aren't those. They look better quality than them, a little bit. They still look like they're the soft metal, but they don't look like they're machine bad or anything, so let's hope these can hold up. I mean, these rigs are lighter. The plastic gears have worked out for some people, so maybe these are good enough. We'll see. I might run them, I might not. I do have another set of axles that have the brass gears that seem to be very durable, but we'll see when we get to them. So that's it, guys. That's the whole kit here. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys to show you that the little differences you get from the metal and the regular kit. So the regular kit comes with some pretty decent stuff as well. You still get the metal ring and pinion gears, so that's good. I mean, you do get the plastic, you know, ends on them now and the plastic hubs. And I might go ahead and slap in my KM setup in this one, just because I already put a 2-speed on the other one. Where's the other one? This one right here. So yeah, as far as I can tell, you know, you get the same servo, you get mostly the same parts except for the metal axle housings, all metal parts, OP parts, you don't get those. You don't get the reduction gearbox with the new transmission, you just get this old style transmission, which is going to give you a hang-up point a little bit. Other than that, my thoughts on this kit versus the KM is, it's still worth it. I think this will still be a pretty good kit, especially if you're a tinkerer and you like to modify and stuff. You know, so if you don't want to spend all that money on the KM, my first impressions of the regular K, or the C34k regular kit, it's pretty good as well. It's definitely a step up from the regular, you know, C24s right here and C14s. Definitely a step up from that. Yeah, I'll put this sucker together. You guys will see more of this, and I'll let you guys know as I go how well it does and how good everything works. Alright guys, you have a great day today. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. Now go out there and run that RC.